Let me see, Daddy.
There, it's you. See yourself? No, you don't need to see. Daddy needs to see.
Why do you need to see? Huh?
I just do.
Actually, that, Daddy.
Hey!
Please. Let me go one of these days.
Do it, Tony.
Doing it right now.
Yeah. I haven't turned yet. Here we go. Turning. Hitting the brakes. Here we go. Turning. Accelerating.
Is that going up? Is that accelerating?
Yeah. What are you doing, Matthew? Are you wearing a seatbelt, son? Matthew, get up and put on a seatbelt. You're not in the picture anyway.
Can you edit me out there?
Sure. Here we go.
That sounds funny.
Yeah,
Daddy, is it doing that?
I guess.